Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. In today's video I do have the SONY HT-AX7 Sony theater, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily set up this speaker with your TV. So at first you have to make sure that your TV does have the Bluetooth. To do so, enter menu on your TV, go to sound, and here go to the speaker list. Here you should see your TV speaker, Bluetooth audio, or audio output optical. We have to enter Bluetooth audio. Here now we do have, as you can see, some speakers I paired previously. So now we have to, the moment I need to enter here, we have to take this speaker, place it, because it's the right one, it is the left one. We have to place it somewhere on the left, and the same with the right one. We have to turn on the speakers using the power button at the bottom of our speakers and turn on our speaker itself. Then we have to take our speaker and find this button here. We have to click this button to enter pairing mode, and then we should see our speaker on the screen. Wait a moment. Let's click refresh. Oh, as I can see, one of my speaker is not turned on, so let me turn it on first. But as I can see, here we do have HT-AX7. We have to click on our speaker on the list and click pair and connect. Now it may take some time, but now as you can see we are connected. As you can see, here we do have HT-AX7. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.